Just released, we have a brand new tool that automatically allows us to select different parts of our landscape using AI, and now it includes snow. Today we're gonna show you how to use it in both Lightroom and Photoshop. So we're starting off in Lightroom Classic. We're gonna move into our Develop module and then go right into our masking. It's as simple as clicking here on Landscape. This will detect all your landscape features automatically using AI, and now, boop, 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 snow. This is our brand new feature. We're gonna go ahead and create 4 separate masks. Let's go ahead and click on Create Masks, and here you can see the masks labeled as such. We're gonna start with our snow mask. Now, a lot of times with snow, maybe it's just a little bit too bright. Maybe you need to bring your highlights down. So we're gonna take our highlight levels, bring those down just a little bit, bring our shadow levels up a little bit, and I wanna bring our exposure up. But what I really recommend with snow is go down to your effects tab. This looks amazing every single time. Clarity, let's drag that up and boom, look at that. I'm just gonna turn this off and on, and you can see that snow mask is incredible. This is a brand new feature. Now we're gonna go into our sky. I'm gonna simply take our sky, bring our color temperature a little bit more towards blue to really bring out that blue in the sky. That looks great. And we're gonna bring the exposure up just a little bit. Now we're gonna go into the vegetation here in the foreground. We're gonna just crank up that saturation, and this photo looks amazing. You can see how quick and easy it is to edit your images with everything broken down with automatic masking. Let's take a look. Here's our before image and the after in just a couple seconds using these brand new AI masks. This feature works exactly the same in Lightroom Classic as well as Lightroom Desktop and even Lightroom Mobile. But you might be asking your question, does this work in Photoshop? The answer is yes, and we're gonna show you how to do it. Here we are in Photoshop 2026. Let's grab our raw file and drag it right in, and it's gonna open up in Camera Raw, which is built into Photoshop. That's right, we have a full raw editor inside of Photoshop. Now here in our masking tools, same thing. Let's click here on Landscape, and there we go. Snow, mountains, vegetation, sky. Create all of those masks, and we edit this just the same way. We're gonna bring our highlights down, our shadows up. We're gonna go down. I love using my effects tab and crank up that clarity, that snow. Look at that amazing edit. We're gonna go to our sky and just bring our color temperature down and then pop into our vegetation and crank up that saturation. And that's literally all there is to it. Now, because we're in Photoshop in Camera Raw, we just click right here on Open Object and check this out. We are in our full build of Photoshop with all of our settings applied. We opened it as a smart object, so I can double click right here at any time on my layer, and we're back in Camera Raw, and you can see I'm gonna go into my masks, and all of these masks are completely non-destructive, and I can change the settings at any time for any of my masks. Hit OK, and it automatically updates in Photoshop where I can edit my image from here. This brand new update is available right now. So whether you're a Lightroom user or a Photoshop user, you can easily access AI landscape masking, including snow. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.